What are 3 signs of a bad transmission?
It's got a Chevy sign on the front of it. Your car won't pull. And it's got a Chevy sign on it. No, but if you hear grinding and shit like that, the transmission's probably not a good sign.
Oh, a good one.
No, I just work here.
What is 3 signs of a bad transmission, Scott?
Not shifting right. Bad fluid.
Bad fluid. Oh, that's a good one.
One pull.
1 pull. All right.
Dirty fluid, one pull.
What are 3 signs of a bad transmission?
Hold up. Grab this real quick. It's a fucking bitch.
It is. 3 signs of a bad transmission.
It'd be slipping.
Slipping.
Be running hot.
Running
a lot
hot.
when you tow shit.
Overheating. Okay.
Yeah. And if it drops in gear harder than fuck, change your fluid.
Y'all hear this, y'all? Change y'all fluid.